Alright, let's talk about og and nga, or the og, I guess. Part 2, maybe? I don't know. But og and nga this time, right? So we already know what nga and og basically do. This just kind of enhances and reviews what they function as, okay? So og, we know, marks objects, agents of sentences, right? So we mark whatever that object of the sentence is, whether it's a short phrase or whatever that object was, right? We mark it. And how do we mark it? We put og before it, the whole thing, okay? And then, again, describing people from all forms of manners, yeah. It doesn't matter whether it's like physical, emotional, whatever, right? We're just describing people, right? It has to be that person or relating to that person, right? So these sentences will show it. Milakaw siya og kusog. Okay, this one shows it, describing people, right? He left, or I guess, yeah, he walked fast. He walked strongly, right? Milakaw siya og kusog. I guess he was pacing or fast pacing, right? Ayaw siya og tanawa. Don't look at him. This is the marks and objects or agents of the sentence one. So ayaw siya og tanawa, right? We already talked about negation with ayaw. You have to have that og there, right? And it makes sense because what's the focus? It's the siya, right? What's the agent? What are we marking? What's that object agent that we're marking? It's that siya. Don't look at what? Don't look at who? Don't look at this one. Don't look at siya, right? Don't look at the he, she, or it. Ayog siya, or ayaw siya og tanawa, or ayog siya tanawa, right? That og can move either or. Ayog siya tanawa, don't look at him or her. And then the last one here is naglisod kog saka, right? Again, this is also that marking the object of the sentence, right? It's that object marker, right? Naglisod ko og saka, okay. I had a hard time, right? To have a hard time, lisod, to be difficult, right? Naglisod ko, I had a difficult, right? It was difficult. I had a difficult what? Difficult time going up. Saka, to rise, to go up, right? Naglisod ko og saka, right? It was difficult for me to go up, right? Og saka, to go up or to rise. It's difficult for me to get up or to arise. And then nga, just again to review, because we're beating a dead horse, right? It relates nouns to parts of speech. What are the parts of speech? Well, it can relate nouns to other nouns, adjectives, pronouns, etc., right? And it's also a clausal linker, that nga ligature, that nga linker, right? And these are your sentences. This first sentence relates to that first part with the parts of speech. Usa ka mubo nga adlaw, one short day, right? What is it? A short day. Here's the adjective, here's the noun. Usa ka mubo nga adlaw, one short mubo nga adlaw, one short day. And then the last sentence is that clausal linker. Abi nimo nga ikaw ang nagdaot. You thought that, okay, that blah blah blah. You are the one that nagdaot. Okay, here's the verb. So it links two clauses. Here's the first clause. Abi nimo means you thought, or you I guess you would have thought, or you thought that nga ikaw ang nagdaot. So this is the second clause. So the first clause, second clause, it connected two sentences by using that or that which, right? So again, keep in mind, I just want to focus more on the og for this, right? Even though I am talking or expressing og by comparing it with another particle, even with another video, just really focus on that og, because more stuff just happens with og, and it's just, I don't know, this og is just really, really, really crazy. I don't know what else to say for this video, but hopefully this can help you clarify. And again, my best advice for you is to let that og sink in.